back to the channel, everybody. My name is Austin Smith, and as you can tell from the title of this video, we are going over what every Subaru needs. Actually, like any car. Well, not any car, I mean, let's see, like Ford, Subaru, Mitsubishi, Porsche, Volkswagen, all these brands actually support this product, and that's awesome. And this company is great. You can probably tell what I just mentioned, you probably know what it is. Okay, and luckily for you all in this video, we get a 2-in-1. So basically, we're installing the mount, which is a super cool mount. I never see many people rock this. I've seen it a couple times, but we got a super cool mount and obviously the product itself. So if you still don't know what it is, let me break it open for y'all and show y'all what it is. Yes, everybody, the Cobb Accessport. This device right here is used for okay, I'm gonna put this in my own words. Correct me if I'm wrong, put it down in the comments, whatever you wanna say. Give me some bullshit, I don't know. Tell me what you know, technically what this thing is. And in my own words, this is a little management system that actually controls your ECU. I guess we didn't say kind of controls your ECU. It tells your ECU what to do. Mainly what these Cobb Accessports are used for is tuning. Either that be an E-tune, a Pro Tune, even tuning yourself if you have the Cobb license to do it. It's a little simple product. It's very, I mean, I guess for the price it is, it's kind of worth it. I don't know. I mean, it's pretty expensive for me, but I kind of need it for my car. I've had this car for like 4 years now. I've ran in a intake for 3.5 years, and people go, if you ever do anything in this car engine-wise, you should always get a tune, whether that be an E-tune, whatever. On my hand, I didn't have the money for it, nor, I just got an intake. I didn't get a downpipe. I agree with people if you're, changing, you go catless, more airflow, all sorts of things, getting bigger piping, new injectors. Obviously you need, because your engine won't know what to do. But I don't know every little part and like what happens in it, but you can run lean, which leads to your car, failing, pre-detonating, things like that. And it's just not good. So this is a product that I've been wanting to get for a while, and every Subaru and even other cars need this product because of you can monitor your car. You can monitor it. There's endless options, I'm pretty sure. You can log. You do all sorts of things to figure out what's wrong with your car, if there's an issue, why did this happen, and you can pretty much diagnose off this little thing. It also gives engine goods too, like exactly what it is. So no going to AutoZone or O'Reilly's to figure out what kind of code you have, or to dealership, because you have it right here in your hands. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this thing. It's just a little pop. It comes with two things. It comes with the, look at this quality. Boom. Oh, it smells. I don't know about y'all, but this like kind of material, I love the feel of this. And the case, it's so nice. We'll pull out the case first. This has got the actual access port in it. I'm sure a couple other little goodies, maybe just access port. Here's the accessories, the cable that runs down to like your OBD port. I'm pretty sure a couple other things. We don't know. We'll open it here and find out. I'd hate myself if I dropped this. All right, we'll go ahead and actually open the access port first. So it's just so clean, little zip. That is so cool. Ooh. Oh boy, this is what I've been waiting for. The stickers. I got 2 Cobb stickers. I'm excited for that. I'm gonna slap those in my car here shortly. Oh cool, it comes with a mount too. I don't know how that mount works, but it just slips. It's like a lock-in. I think that's like for a car mount thing. It looks like one of those things you like click in. Okay, now we're gonna see what's in this little thing. Yeah, here's the OBD port, I believe. Okay, so now let's go into the other mount that I purchased and show you all where it's gonna be located, which is the coolest part in my opinion. Okay, so this little mount, check this thing out. It's 3M printed. This thing is sick. Look at that. Oh, almost dropped it. This thing is sick. Now, if you can see from what that is, this is actually, it goes up in the defroster. Okay, so the little area where the A-pillar is at, to the right of that, in the top left-hand corner, there's a little air duct there, which is the defroster. This replaces it, and I think that's the coolest spot ever. It fits right in there. It's out of the way of everything, and it's so neat there, and it's just showing off, and like, you got your dash, and you just got your access port sitting there, like, and you can see everything. You can read it. It's kind of like in your field of view when you're driving, so you can actually see it. You don't have to look down around the around wherever you put the freaking thing, or just stuck it in a cup holder, and you have it right there in front of your eyes in case something does actually happen, or your monitors, your temperatures go up, or whatever. This could be, with just driving in general. And these Subarus, they have issues apparently. I've never had an issue with mine, you know, knock on wood. First, we're gonna go ahead and throw on the sticker on the car because new product, got a rep. Okay, so first we're just gonna start pulling out all the pieces that I think that are necessary. And it starts with the air duct that I was talking about. So I think we're just gonna, I don't know how else this would go in, so we're just gonna pull that, I guess. Damn, that thing's in there good. So we got this thing pulled out now. Subaru, another one. Oh, it's a new one. I saw the green calipers. Okay, so we got this piece undone. I don't think I'm gonna take off any more. Maybe I might not need to, but mainly that was so I can kind of feed the wire if I need to through, if I can't get it through the top. So now we're gonna actually install them out. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so before we start mounting it, we want to take this cord, which is the long one, and we're gonna route it through because that's gonna be the hardest part, I feel like. Okay, so basically my goal is to feed this, fish it down this part right here, through there, that air duct, and all the way down to the bottom where we can plug it in to the OBD port, which is, that's the OBD port, which we're plugging this thing into. Oh my gosh. So I was trying to fish my hand underneath here, right? And get to the wire, which I see, there's the wire. And I decided to pop this open and the freaking port is sitting right there. So we can just push that down, pull it through. Look at that. There we go. So we got the port pulled all the way through. That was a pain in the ass. We're gonna pull it all the way through till we have a little bit of room up at the top. So this mount right here has this little clip, and this clip actually goes onto that connector in the car already that connects to the access port. So what we have to do is kind of figure out how to put this in. So don't know how this goes, but I'm assuming this is the short end, so the wire is going to go in there. So it's going to kind of go like this. Okay guys, hopefully you can see me well. I'm not sure how well you can, but we're going to get on this install. We have a couple of things. So we have this mount right here, and they provided 2 clips, so how nice. If this one actually breaks, we have 2 of them, and they're the same ones. So what we're going to do is take this little clip and we're going to squeeze the wire into here. So it's going to just kind of clip it in like that. You can essentially take the access port and just pull it on and off without having to take the clips, because it's going to be sitting, this thing is going to be sitting underneath the dock, so you can't really get to it and, you know, click that without pulling it in and out. Now you got to have it slid through first. The dock has to be through the wire, and there's little grooves within the dock. Let's see if we can show you all. That little thing, that has to match up with this. So that's where the bracket comes into place, which I'm going to grab now. Okay, so I think what this bracket does, this little thing, right, it comes with the Allen key in order to tighten them, which we slide it through here. It's not one, there we go. So this little bracket, I believe, is gonna go in, if you can see it, there you go, you can see it. There's an arrow on the bottom of this too. It's right there. And so we wanna match this arrow with that one. So we're gonna match the screws up and we're gonna slide the screws on into the thing. These little screws, and we're gonna just thread them onto here just a little bit, not too much. We're not tightening down anything because obviously we gotta get the mount into the air duct still. So I'm just gonna do a little bit so we have room. Okay, maybe a little bit more because I wanna kind of match this in here, the air duct thing, or how much room I have, which I didn't have much, but enough to where it'll tighten. There we go. So that's all kind of on there, nifty, that's really nice. So now we're gonna go to just pulling this cord on the bottom all the way through again. So we kind of gotta stick it at an angle. That's why these are angled like that, so we can stick it in sideways a little bit. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. There we go. Oh! Okay, so now the little issue I'm having is trying to get the bolts. Since that little like bracket is so far down, trying to get the bolt to grab that little nut is hard, and every time I try to pull it, it's popping out this side. So we're trying to get both of them. You see that side's locked in pretty well, but this side won't go in. So we're just keeping at it until we get it tight, which you can see it's not tight at all for some reason. So we'll try that. Okay, so putting it in there and trying to screw these little bolts. What's happening is when I'm trying to screw the top one, this is not wanting to screw, it's just doing this. See, like screwing it. So I try to pull it tight and it's like trying to wedge it. It still didn't work. So what I'm doing now is just tighten them a little bit more. And now I'm just gonna try forcing it in there and wedging it, and maybe it might tighten it up more so I can actually just screw it in. Hey, what up? Hey, the fresh cut. Okay. He's got the fresh cut on deck. Dude, this thing is a pain in the ass to install. All right, so now finally, like I said, I got these tight enough. Well, not tight, but finally where I could grab on and actually tighten now, because before it wouldn't. Maybe. I think this won't even tighten now anymore. It won't. What the hell? Why does it do that? Okay, so as you can see the little modification I did here. It's probably gonna hold a lot better. It's probably gonna be a lot harder to screw in actually now too.
The harder the better, I guess, for that. Can you slide it this way? Slide it up.
No,
Now,
that tape holds on.
Holy cow. That is tough. There's the OEM vent over there. It looks almost the same, but with just a Cobb Accessport mount on it.
What do you think? Is that tight enough? Or should I tighten it a little more?
Dude,
I don't want to. What I'm
don't
afraid is gonna
over-tighten
happen.
it.
Yeah, it's gonna.
Holy crap! That's really tight. I wouldn't even go closer. What are you doing there? Oh, you're just doing it behind. Oh, that way you cover all the shit. We'll manage it.
Or yeah. So
Gotcha.
basically, it won't be flopping everywhere, and you're not gonna hear.
Shooting my face when I put it.
We're just gonna
Tuck
cram
it.
it.
In the worst case, you need it.
There we go. Okay, that's plugged in. There we go. You can see them plugged. I mean, they're crammed right up in there. So you see them. Sweet. I don't know the first step to this thing, so I'm gonna grab the manual really quick. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and just plug this thing in. We're at a couple things. There's a power button here, so that's pretty cool. Just gonna plug it in here. Very cool. Install. So we're gonna go ahead and press install.
Does your car always be on, or does
No.
it actually want to be off?
Communication's just communicating with my car right now. So look at that.
Bullshit.
Verify ignition switch is in this on position.
On. Just on
Oh.
that one, right?
I guess.
So you're gonna do a stage 3 tune?
Well, we're on stage 1. That's what I am technically. So we're gonna. That's like a strange click.
Mm-hmm.
Stage 1, and Tennessee we have 93 octane, so we're gonna go ahead and go to that. Oh
Guys,
boy.
it's fucking up the whole shit.
Alright guys, so everything's going crazy right now. It's a little scary. Alright, so hopefully, just to make sure, well, you guys are gonna witness if my car blows up or it doesn't start, or hopefully the battery doesn't go dead halfway in between this.
That's normal, all that shit flash.
Yeah, it's supposed to be, I'm pretty sure.
Can you remove the Cobb, and it'll run? It's like installing it in your car.
Yeah, it's installing the tune. So what it's doing now, basically, if the people that don't know what's happening, is this Accessport is reflashing the ECU that's in our car, in my car, and it's remapping it to the tune that's on this Accessport, and that'll give all the information it needs to, in order to read correctly and drive correctly and not blow up. Okay. All right, ready? Here we go.
Or wait, to connect Accessport Manager for now.
Here we go, boys.
Let's see what it does. Hold on.
The question
Hey, first start.
what did it actually do, though? What was the point of
that was to put to basically run better with the intake that I had, which I've had for 3.5 years, and my car still hasn't blown up. So shout out to the people that are gonna hate on me for that. I've ran with no tune, but now we have a tune on the car, so maybe the car might blow up. I don't know.
Oh, bull.
So,
I'm really sorry.
All right, so basically, this isn't the video of like my reaction or like the difference between stage 1 or 2. I mean, stage 0, like stock, or 1. But I'm gonna just give my impressions if I feel anything different. So, or at least a noticeable.
So you said stage 1 you put on it?
Yeah.
You shouldn't like stage 6. Holy cow, that's close. Shit.
No, I'm good. Put it in. One thing I noticed right off the back is, I'm being serious, is the the pedal, and when I have to actually apply gas, it's a lot smoother. In Sport Sharp before, it was very touchy to the touch when I go to push it. You remember, it was kind of, it was really jolty. Now it's more smooth, which it's just strange.
Are you doing the loop to the left and down and back? Or?
I'm gonna go left, yeah. So that's, I kind of like it though. It kind of helps. It's really smooth onto the touch. What's good? What the fuck?
Why'd it go off?
Oh, wow.
Huh. It should be showing it.
We'll go this way. Come up here.
Alright.
Alright guys, so this is the main reason I actually bought this Accessport. I'm gonna show y'all now. We're gonna go to tune, adjustments, but this is what we're gonna go to, yeah. Oh my gosh!
How'd you set that up?
I found it underneath, it's under here.
Oh, tune?
Under tune.
Hit it. That was the most.
We can go up a little bit more, but that was the most traction
launch I've ever.
The best launch I've gotten so quickly. That was
that
crazy.
clutch? What does it smell?
No, I think there's that power.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Yep. Bet. I was waiting on him to come back. What the hell? Where's he at? There's like, I'm chilling outside this neighborhood right now. I haven't seen him come over the hill. Holy crap, someone's rear-ended this person. Austin, where you at, buddy? Oh my gosh, dude. Please tell me he comes back. I hope he didn't forget me. Hey, the boy. What?
So this is like one of the last ones before I finish up the video, just to get, you know, a little bit of entertainment for y'all, because this is really fun. Not only, this is a blast.
This one I want to get like some sort of reaction. Is it? Oh.
I could probably go to 3,500.
That's what I said in the video. I was like, I think 3,500 max.
The 32, I mean, it's really good. It works good to start. Ready?
Back here's like a track. I'm surprised your rim's holding up.
Oh yeah, I know. Don't remind me. All the way and just smash the gas. Oh, I keep doing it. Go for it. Oh my god, dude. That is so crazy. Dude, I love it. That is awesome. Best part about the Accessport, by far. I love it. That's crazy. He approves. Dude, that's so cool. I love it. All right, guys. Other than that, I mean, that sums up this video. That was very interesting. Installing that mount took a lot of time, especially trying to get that little bracket in there. But it works out. It looks awesome, and also the Cobb Accessport, freaking, it's mint right there. That's also by far. The launch control is what I wanted the most. I mean, obviously with all the other things it comes with mapping and actually tuning. So hope you all enjoyed the video and got something out of it. And definitely, if you want to go pick one up yourself, go do it. I'll leave a link in the description below. That's it. So I'll see you on the next one.